Pramana Nirapeksha Anubhuti. That experience which does not involve operation of sense organs, mind and intellect, that experience is our essential nature. And therefore, time, space and object is not the barrier to know yourself. It is not during meditation, I am divine. After that, devil. No. Hey friends, Swam prakashate atma megha apaye amshumaniva. When the clouds go away, the sun is revealed by itself. In the same manner, when wrong notions disappear, truth is revealed. What are the wrong notions? I am a waker, wrong notion, give it up. I am a dreamer, give it up. I am a deep sleeper, give it. I am a meditator, give it up. In the absence of all of them, we continue to be.